Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. So far we've been only using line plots, but there's a great variety of plots we can use in matplotlib. Let's first talk about scatter plots. In this video we'll see how to use the plot method to graph scatter plots, and in the next video we'll use the scatter method. So let's jump in. In scatter plots, the points are not joined by segments. They are drawn individually as dots or other shapes. Here's an example of a line plot to start with. So our imports, x values, y values is a sine function, and here is our graph. So a typical line plot, and if you pass a third argument to the plot method, like here, O, you can easily create a scatter plot. Let it consist of circles first. This means circle. If you now run this piece of code, you will get a scatter plot with circles. Here we passed O as the argument, which is a circle marker. To better see the individual points, let's cut down their number. So let's make it 40 points instead of 100. So now we have a scatter plot with circles, 40 circles altogether. So this is a circle marker. We use O to use this marker, but there are lots of other markers available. Let's check out some of them. First, point marker. To use the point marker, we just put a point or dot. And if you now run this piece of code, you will get a scatter plot with points instead of circles. Then we have a pixel marker. We use a comma to use it. So here's our plot. It's quite small, but I'm sure you can see it. Then triangle markers. There are lots of different triangle markers. Here I've chosen one of them, triangle up, which is used like this. And here it is, triangles pointing up. Then try down marker. To use this one, we use 1. And again, there are lots of similar markers, so if you are interested, just check out the documentation. Then we have square markers. We use S for this one, and we get squares. Pentagon marker. Here we use P, small p, and we get pentagons. Then there's a plus marker. We use the plus sign. So here we have a scatter plot with plus signs. Then we have the X marker. We use the letter X, small x, and we get this. Diamond marker. We use capital D for diamond markers, and we get diamonds. Now, if you don't like the color of the marker, you can combine the color symbol with the marker. For example, here's how we can produce red square markers. So R for red, S for square. And we get this. Now, using the plot method, you can keep the line in addition to the markers. You just have to add a hyphen before the marker symbol or the color symbol. So here's a line, which is here. This hyphen means there should be a line. And then green, G, diamonds, D. And we get this. Green diamonds plus the line. You can pass some more arguments to the plot method to style the markers. Here are some examples. First, let's determine the marker size. We just use this argument, marker size equals, let's say, 15. And now we get something like this. So here we're using circle markers, size 15. Then we have marker face color and marker edge color. So again, circles, size 15. Now marker face color should be yellow. Marker edge color should be red. So essentially we're going to get some circles which are filled yellow and with a border which is red. So here they are. We can also change the edge width, marker edge width. So now we have marker edge width is 6. So slightly thicker. And here we get it. And of course, there are lots of other options. Just check out the documentation to learn more. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.